Alright, boys, we gotta hang out tonight.
Yes, dude.
Yeah, not for real. We actually have to.
But listen, I cannot host, alright? We gotta find somebody to host.
Carl, he needs to host.
Good idea, yo, good idea.
Yeah, it is a good idea.
What, why should I host? What?
Well, you know, Carl, cause like, you're rich.
I am not rich!
So what does that make you?
My family is financially stable!